Okay, now I fix to fix my mechanical lubricator, the Foster, which I ordered. I built a base plate, and this base plate consists of two parts here. This thick brass plate, and the smaller one, which was drilled in a way that I can bind it directly to my Southworth 12-inch water pump, steam pump, and I converted my drill stand here to even cut brass from the side, and so it's not only a drill, it is also used to cut, for instance, here these part here into the base plate from top, and this is used to silver solder then finally this piece rectangular onto this place. It's much more rigid if you have a groove here in the plate. And what else you see here are the new parts, new equipment, which I use also to drill various frames into the brass parts. And here I have a new bend saw with a very high quality saw blade, which is amazing. It cuts brass like butter. These are not the ones which you can buy in a normal hobby shop. They are really professional ones, and they last much longer, and they have a really good cutting efficiency, and they survive for a long time. So this is the view now of the bench where I perform all these metal work. In order to silver solder now, I then will go to this place here. We have a vacuum evacuation system which takes off the fumes and guides them outside of the building. This is also used to I have these special oven which heats up to 1300 degrees to melt bronze up to 5 kilo. And if I cast then bronze or silver in this oven, or use it also for emaling, you can see inside here also the toxic fumes, they are guided outside via this device here, tubing outside of the building. So silver soldering is done on this place, and then I will finish the base plate. So after silver soldering, the base stand looks like this. You see hardly any silver solder. So the base is ready for installation at the Southworth pump, and I wait for the Foster to come from England. Okay, now the base plate for the Foster mechanical lubricator is fixed. As you can see, it fits perfectly here to the side. It's underneath a small support, and now I have to install later the Foster on the plate here, and has to build a crank here which goes down to the handle here to the bar of the steam pump, but this will shown in the next video.